Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to activate two Snapchat accounts in one Android device. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first let's go into settings and there tap on search icon and in search bar type in dual or on Samsung device, or maybe if you can't find their dual messenger, maybe you need to type in clone. So I found dual messenger, I tap on that and there tap on dual messenger again. So now I find all my messengers and now I can clone any of them. Let's do it with Snapchat. Just toggle on that option and now my phone asks me if I really want to install a second copy of Snapchat. I tap on install and now second copy of Snapchat was already installed. I can check that. Just open up my. Here I see the second copy with red circles and there is the first copy. So now I can open up the second copy of Snapchat and get into another account on that. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you and see you next time.